Welcome to ACL Care Pro. ACL Care Pro is a comprehensive 14-week training program and smartphone app. It's designed to guide athletes from having recently completed physical therapy post-ACL injury to safely returning to sport with a minimized risk of re-injury. The program is adaptable for athletes of all levels, backgrounds, and recovery rates. No experience is necessary. Beginner, intermediate, and advanced athletes will all find exercise options to match their current level. Athletes who are progressing quickly will be able to complete the program in 14 weeks. Athletes who need more time will be guided to progress at their own pace.
The 14 weeks of training are broken down into 4 phases. Each phase lasts 3 to 4 weeks. Because different athletes enter the program with different competencies, the first 2 phases are designed to bring all users to a uniform baseline. The first phase focuses on creating a foundation of strength, balance, control, and mobility. The second phase builds on all those qualities while adding a new focus on agility and lower body power. The third phase increases in difficulty again by adding single leg hopping and higher level speed and agility drills. The fourth and final phase introduces even higher level speed, agility, and plyometric progressions to mimic the demands of sport. All of the phases prioritize quality of movement first and foremost.
Each phase includes 3 sessions per week. 2 are required and the third is highly recommended. The 2 required sessions use just a few pieces of equipment and athletes can do them inside or outside of a gym. Each session begins with a comprehensive warm-up with dynamic stretching, speed, agility, and locomotion drills. The warm-up is designed to prepare the athlete for the rigors of the workout and progresses from one phase to the next. The required sessions focus on lower body strength, power, core stability, and balance. The recommended third day focuses on strength and aerobic conditioning and is best performed in a fully equipped gym.
For every required session, we include instructional videos for each exercise explaining and demonstrating proper technique. We also include instructional videos on aspects of the exercise we want the athlete to progress from week to week within the phase. These points of progression could be performing more reps, using a heavier weight, jumping higher, or further refining the quality of the movement. In some cases, the videos will show multiple levels of an exercise. We included these progressions in order to meet every athlete at their current level to provide a safe and appropriate challenge. The videos explain how to choose which level to start at and when to progress to a more advanced version of the exercise.
One of the most important goals of ACL Care Pro is to restore symmetrical strength and power between sides of the lower body and core. To ensure the athlete is hitting appropriate milestones, at the end of each phase there's a test. The test can be done inside or outside of a gym. It consists of exercises done one side at a time, and performance is quantified by limb symmetry indexes, or LSIs. The test gets more stringent from one phase to the next, adding new components and requiring higher levels of symmetry. The ultimate goal is at least 90% symmetry on all tests by the end of the program. If an athlete is unable to achieve the LSI standard for any given phase, we have them repeat the previous phase of training before moving on.
Once an athlete completes the ACL Care Pro training program, they'll be able to access a final report card that summarizes their progress and their test results from each phase. At that time, we recommend they follow up with their physician and/or physical therapist to complete a final return to sport testing battery.